how the startups and how they can contribute towards the innovation, I guess.
Thank you so much, sir. So next question I have is, the Starlight Renewables focuses on renewable energy solutions. How do you believe that startups in this sector, that is in the energy sector, contribute to the overall innovation system?
Thank you so much for this question, ma'am. So the renewable sector is itself a very innovative sector, right? So nowadays you can see the fossil fuels are like using day by day more and more. So to eradicate that or to generate a renewable energy to like eradicate the CO2 from the world, right? So we have to use the alternative part, right? Alternative energy. So it comes with a renewable energy. There are many renewable energy. For example, solar power plants are there, then windmills are there, then nowadays EVs are there, right? So these all are itself are innovations. Yeah. So if we talk about innovation, so in 2010, like I'm going into some technical name, right? So 1 kilowatt of energy for solar power plant is cost about 1.5 lakh. Okay, and it reduces to 45,000 now in 2023, right? So day by day people are innovating, day by day the generations are innovating, and USG in India only. So the sector is growing, and innovation is something like we talk about the West African countries. So there is no grid. There is no grid to supply electricity, right? For that, many innovative ideas are there. Like we have supplied small home lighting kits for African countries, so that they can use by the means of battery, they can use their lights, fridges, TV itself, right? So these all are innovations, what I consider. Yeah, thank you.
Guest Nikunj Gupta, CEO, founder, Starlight Renewables, Mr. Srijay Seth sir, founder, Legalwise in Private Limited, moderator of this event, Sonalika Nigam, and all teachers and my dear student. I, Dr. Pritesh Panchal, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Law. I heartily welcome you, sir, on behalf of our Dean, Dr. Ketan Desai sir, and Parikh sir, and all the faculty members of the Parul Institute of Law, Parul University. When we are talking about the Mr. Srijay Seth sir, he is an entrepreneur with 15 years of formative, diverse and immersive, expansive base across the varied industries and geographies. So he has been fortunate to have worked with some of the most admired D2C brands in the commerce space. So rather than blend of commercial acumen and technical know-how, Srijay loves to contribute his time to building technology driven products that solve the real business problem. So he is currently lead the legal tech venture Legalwise in Private Limited, and has empowered more than 7,000 small businesses and startups to stay compliant with the law, along with his boutique D2C counseling firm Hire for Hire that empowers hyper growth for the some of the leading digital first brand globally. Now, last but not least, Mr. Nikunj Gupta sir has started his company in COVID situation. So where all the companies were going down, that time they have started hustle. So even he has supplying material to some local companies, as well as today he is working with some big names like Hero MotoCorp, Hinduja Group, and Andhra Pradesh government. So recently he has started exporting the product in West African countries like Republic of Congo and Sierra Leone, etc. So sir, thank you for accepting the invitation for the given the keynotes discussion today and guiding to our student to new beginning. So now I hand over this session to our events moderator Sonalika Nigam. Thank you.